Pack rat.
Meg and Todd discuss if they keep a lot of stuff.
Meg, I'm going to give you a test.
Okay.
It's a personality test.
Uh-oh.
And we want to know, are you a pack rat?
Am I a pack rat?
Right. Do you save things? Do you keep things? Or are you a minimalist? Do you have very few things in your house?
Well, I think I try to be a minimalist, but I'm a little bit of a pack rat.
Okay, well, take the test. Let's see. Okay, the first question is, how many books do you have in your house?
Not counting Kindle?
Not counting Kindle. Physical books. How many books do you have?
Physical books, I think I have around 15 books.
Oh, boo, boo.
Is that a lot?
That's bad.
That's so many?
Yeah, so
Really?
negative,
Uh-oh.
boop. -1 means pack rat.
Uh-oh.
Being +1 means
Okay.
minimalist. Okay.
Okay.
Next question. How many shoes do you have?
Can I not answer that question?
No, you have to say.
Okay. I think I have 25 pairs of shoes.
Oh my gosh. I'm giving you -2 points.
No, just one.
All right, next question is, how many blankets do you have?
Blankets. I think I have 10 blankets.
Oh my gosh. I knew you were a pack rat. I knew it. I knew it. Now you're -5.
But you need blankets for the cold winter.
You only need one blanket.
But if you have friends visiting you, you need more blankets.
Okay.
I have a lot of friends.
Wow. That's a good point. Okay, next question. How many umbrellas do you have?
I think I have around 5 or 6 umbrellas.
Wow, and you live alone, correct?
Yes, I live alone.
Okay, so a pack rat is somebody who does not get rid of things they don't need. So, do you need 5 umbrellas?
I do need those umbrellas.
Why do you
I'll
need...
tell you. I will
Okay.
tell you why. One is a very small umbrella that's easy to carry. Another umbrella is very large for a really rainy day. A third umbrella is decorative and very pretty. The fourth umbrella is for the sun. And the fifth umbrella is clear to use on a really windy day.
That's interesting. Now, the fourth umbrella for the sun, that's called a parasol, correct?
I guess so, but that sounds a little old-fashioned.
Okay, I won't consider that. I consider an umbrella for the rain only.
Oh, okay.
So we'll say 4.
4.
So let's
Do I get a point back?
You do, but let's do a recap. You are single, you live alone.
Yes.
You have 4 umbrellas.
Yes.
You have 10 blankets.
Yes.
You have 25 pairs of shoes.
Correct.
And you have 15 books?
15 books.
I'm sorry, Meg, but you qualify as a pack rat.
No.
You are not a minimalist. We're taking away your minimalist membership.
Oh. Well, I guess I need to get rid of some things, huh? Yeah. And what about you? Are you a pack rat or a minimalist?
I'm pretty much a minimalist, I think, because I only have 2 bags of stuff.
Only 2 bags?
Yeah, so you can take everything I have and put in 2 big suitcases.
So you don't have 15 books?
No, I have maybe 4 books.
Only 4 books.
And they're very small paperback books.
What about blankets?
I have 1 blanket.
Just 1?
Just 1.
So if visitors come to your house...
That is true.
They're out of luck.
When somebody comes to my house, I ask my neighbor for a... Why? Is that funny? Yes. This is I am such a minimalist. My friend told me, he said, I am the only person that has
1 blanket.
A spoon and a fork.
A spoon and a fork.
That's it. I have
one.
one.
Okay, so basically your house is not prepared for any visitors.
That's true.
Whereas my house is prepared for many visitors.
That's true.
Okay. Umbrellas?
I have maybe 2.
2. So why 2?
Because I can't remember if I have one, or I will leave the house and I won't take it, and so then I need to buy one, and then
you get rid of one?
No, then I just never buy another one. I'm pretty good.
Oh,
Only 2.
okay.
But shoes,
Shoes.
I only have 4 pairs of shoes.
What is the purpose of each pair of shoes?
I have 1 pair of shoes for work, nice dress shoes. I have 2 sneakers, 1 pair of sneakers for running, jogging, 1 pair of sneakers for fashion, and 1 pair of futsal shoes for soccer. That's it. That's it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well, I have to say, you really sound like a minimalist.
Yeah, and you really sound like a pack rat.
Let's learn vocabulary from the lesson.
Pack rat. Pack rat. You are a pack rat. A pack rat is a person who keeps a lot of things. A pack rat does not like to throw things away. Notice the following. 1. He is a pack rat. His garage is full of stuff. 2. My grandma was a pack rat. She kept everything. Minimalist. You are a minimalist. A minimalist is a person who does not buy many things or keep many things. Notice the following. 1. He has few things in his house. He's a minimalist. 2. If you are a minimalist, you do not waste money on shopping. Recap. Recap. But let's do a recap. A recap is a short summary of something that happened. It is a short review of events. Notice the following. 1. I missed the meeting. Give me a recap. 2. Most TV drama starts with a recap of the previous episode.
Get rid of. Get rid of. A pack rat is somebody who does not get rid of things. When people get rid of things, they throw them away or give them away. Notice the following. 1. I have too many shoes. I need to get rid of some of them. 2. I need to get rid of some books. Would you like any of them?
Thanks for watching today's lesson.
We hope these conversations help you practice real English.
Keep practicing a little every day.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
See you in the next video.